Tired of lingering pet odors in your home? It might be time to upgrade your cat's bathroom setup. In this video, we're revealing the best litter box for odor control to keep your space fresh and your feline happy. Number 1. Catit Airsift Jumbo Hooded Litter Pan. The Catit Airsift Jumbo Hooded Litter Pan is a fantastic choice for pet owners looking for a practical, odor-controlling litter box that also prioritizes a cat's comfort. Designed with easy access in mind, this litter pan features a large opening and a paw-safe front door that makes it effortless for cats to enter and exit while minimizing litter spillage. The spacious hood offers ample privacy, which many cats appreciate, and creates a comfortable environment for them to do their business without disturbance. One of the standout features is the hood that lifts up easily for quick cleaning sessions, complemented by a built-in bag anchor that holds the bag open, making scooping far more convenient. Odor control is another area where the Catit Airsift excels. Equipped with a top door filter, it effectively traps odors and prevents them from escaping into your living space. Additionally, it's compatible with Catit's ammonia buster filters, which absorb and retain up to 80% of harmful ammonia gases, although these are sold separately. This feature ensures your home stays fresher for longer, a must-have for multi-cat households. The raised back and overlapping construction are cleverly designed to prevent spills and leaks from enthusiastic diggers or cats that tend to spray, keeping your floors clean and dry. In terms of maintenance, it's incredibly user-friendly, with durable plastic materials that wipe clean easily. Number 2. Oksoty Cat Litter Box with Lid. The Oksoty Cat Litter Box with Lid is an impressive solution for pet owners seeking a durable, mess-free, and odor-resistant litter box. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and sturdy ABS plastic, this litter box outperforms many traditional plastic models in both longevity and hygiene. One of its standout features is the high-sided outer shell, combined with a 4-inch top cover and overlapping design, which effectively prevents urine from leaking through gaps while stopping litter from scattering outside the box. This feature makes it ideal for cats with high urination habits or those who tend to dig enthusiastically. The litter box's fully enclosed and semi-enclosed configurations provide flexibility based on your cat's preferences and your odor control needs. The fully enclosed setup seals in odors while offering privacy, whereas the semi-enclosed option improves airflow and makes cleaning more accessible. With its generous 23.6 x 15.7 x 16-inch dimensions, this XL litter box provides plenty of room for larger breeds or multiple cat households. Another practical touch is the higher footrest design, which makes entry and exit easier for short-legged and senior cats. The footstep area also cleverly collects scattered litter from paws, reducing floor mess and making cleanup easier. It even features a compartment to hold a trash bag for quick removal of stray litter. The stainless steel material ensures that no odors are absorbed, unlike plastic boxes, and a built-in deodorizing compartment lets you add bamboo charcoal bags to quickly neutralize any lingering smells. Number 3. Eosarcu XL Large Litter Box. The Eosarcu XL Large Litter Box is a dependable choice for cat owners in search of a spacious, odor-controlling, and highly functional litter box. Made from durable stainless steel and robust ABS plastic components, this litter box stands up to daily while providing a clean, hygienic environment for your cat. It features a 6-inch high-sided outer shell paired with a 4-inch top cover and overlapping structure, which effectively prevents urine leaks and litter scatter. This is particularly beneficial for cats prone to frequent urination or vigorous digging, ensuring that messes stay contained inside the box. The Eosarcu model offers both fully enclosed and semi-enclosed configurations through its easy-to-assemble, 3-layer detachable design. The enclosed setup locks in odors and gives your cat privacy, while the semi-enclosed option improves air circulation and facilitates faster cleaning. Measuring a generous 23.6 by 15.7 by 16 inches, this extra-large litter box can hold up to 37 liters of litter, enough to accommodate a single cat for an entire month, offering unmatched convenience for busy pet owners or frequent travelers. Its higher footrest design makes it easily accessible for kittens, senior cats, or short-legged breeds, while the raised step also acts as a litter trap, reducing floor mess. The footstep area includes a compartment designed for holding a trash bag, simplifying cleanup of stray litter. Thanks to its premium stainless steel construction, odors don't absorb into the surface, and the non-stick finish resists scratches. making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Number 4. Aoktech Covered Steel Litter Box. The Aoktech Covered Steel Litter Box offers an ideal mix of size, convenience, and odor control, making it a popular choice for multi-cat households and larger felines. Boasting a generous 92-liter capacity, this stainless steel litter box can accommodate even the biggest breeds comfortably, holding up to 34 liters of litter and minimizing the need for frequent changes. One of the standout features is the innovative 180 degrees flip-top lid, which simplifies daily cleaning. Rather than removing the entire top, you can easily flip it open, reaching all corners without hassle. A thoughtful upgrade for those tired of struggling with awkward lids. Its dual-entrance design is another smart addition, giving you the option to configure the box for top and front access, reducing tracked litter and allowing cats to choose their preferred entry method. This customization caters to cats of all ages and sizes, including kittens, seniors, and short-legged breeds. The high-sided construction and leak-proof, overlapping design prevent urine leaks and litter scatter, keeping your floors clean and sanitary. Made from premium stainless steel and quality ABS plastic, the Aoktech litter box is highly durable, odor-resistant, and easy to wipe clean, outlasting traditional plastic alternatives. Additionally, it features a deodorizing compartment for bamboo charcoal bags, effectively neutralizing odors and keeping your home smelling fresh. The thoughtful combination of features, size, and construction materials ensures the Aoktech Covered Steel Litter Box offers excellent value and convenience. Whether you need a solution for a single large cat or several smaller ones, this model delivers comfort, cleanliness, and lasting durability. Number 5. Casa Steel Cat Litter Box. The Casa Steel Cat Litter Box is a premium choice for pet owners prioritizing space, durability, and odor control in their cat's bathroom setup. With an ultra-large 82-liter capacity, this litter box is ideal for large cats, multi-cat households, or any feline that values having extra room. The spacious interior ensures that even big breeds have the space they need to comfortably turn around and dig. A standout feature is its durable ABS plastic lid, which offers greater longevity compared to cheaper PP plastics used in most alternatives. This sturdy lid helps contain litter scatter while providing structural strength to withstand frequent use. The 10-inch high-sided, leak-proof design, combined with an enhanced buckle system, effectively stops urine leaks and scattered litter from reaching your floors, making it perfect for messy diggers or sprayers. Its 3-in-1 setup offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to choose between a fully enclosed, partially enclosed, or open configuration depending on your cat's habits and household needs. The ramp-style entry ensures easy access for kittens, senior cats, or short-legged breeds while helping trap loose litter before it reaches your floors, resisting scratches and rust while maintaining a hygienic surface. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.